Hello and welcome to my channel. Now I would like to talk about House Leek. I'm at a professional nursery who is doing wholesale, and their main profile is House Leeks and Sedum. And here I can show you the different plugs, what they produce. So these 3 beds were all propagating material of House Leek, Sempervivum, and they have more than 80 different cultivars. And this nursery is not open for the public, they only do wholesale. Look at this, how nice it's webbing. So a lot of different colors, and it's a very nice plant. It doesn't need a lot of moisture. And that's the production field. These are already ready for picking, so this is the finished product. And these are the new ones, freshly planted, and they will be ready in 3 to 5 months. Just in time for autumn, and they are overwintering in these smaller pots, and then if the customers require, they can be potted up to 1 liter or 2 liter pots. And they also make these 10 packs of different cultivars of rock garden plants, and they make bowls of different Sempervivum cultivars. Look at these tens of thousands of beautiful plants. These house leeks are very easily propagated because they make these runners, and then they make new heads at the end of these runners, and these heads could be separated and just plugged in the soil, and they will root within 4 to 6 weeks time. Of course, you have to keep the soil moist, and house leeks are very popular, and they have a lot of different cultivars, so you can make a house leek collection if you want. Okay, thank you for your attention. If you like my content, please subscribe and set the notifications so you will be notified from all of my updates, and see you next time. Goodbye.